Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I will show you one procedure by which you can print photos directly from your gallery. What photos you have captured by your Android phone. You know, in our day-to-day life, we have captured so many photos, and among the photos, some photos are very important and we want to memorize them for whole life. Then what to do? In this situation, you know, in this corona situation, you cannot go outside, you cannot visit studio, and if you want to do all these things sitting at home, you can print your favorite photos, and of course according to your choice. I'll show you each and every steps one by one, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So first of all, I'll show you pictures we have just selected. For that, you have to go to the gallery, what pictures you have selected. So in the album, I have already made some collage by my favorite photos, and I'll show you that this one picture. Actually, I have done this photo for my baby's birthday, and you can see these photos I have already made. These photos I have already made, and in a single photo I have made some collage, and so that you can accommodate more photos in a single photo. That is your benefit. I have done that, and after doing all these things by the PicsArt, I have done all these things by the PicsArt. Any other type of app you can adopt, you can use. I have chosen PicsArt. So after doing that, you have to go to the Play Store. So this is your Play Store, and going to the Play Store, you have to type Zooming. Okay, and you can see this is the logo of the app what I am going to talk about. That is the Zoom-in app, free photo. Zoom-in free photo prints, photo book and gives. Okay, already I have installed this app in my Android phone, so I'll open that. Okay, if you are the first time user, then you will get some benefit here. That is the user code. By this code, print it, you will get ₹199 free for your package. This is the app by which you can easily print some photos according to your choice sitting at home, and it is very easy. So suppose so many categories are there: 5.5 inch soft cover, 8 inch soft cover. These are the sizes, and different types of, you know, quality also there, non-tearable, tearable, all these things I will show you. So as I was the first time user for this Zoom-in, I have adopted few days ago. I am telling my story. That is this option I have chosen. After choosing this option, then create new window will come. Then click here. After that, select photo. You have to select photo. You can see the select photo. What photo you want to get printed, then you have to select that photos. After selecting photos, you have to go to the folder. What folder I have told you? That is the PicsArt. This is the PicsArt. So these are the folders. Already you can see here, as there is a limitations 24 photos you can upload. So I have made collage. Different types of photos I have accommodated in a single place. You can see, if you just click one photo here, you can understand my word. Suppose this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 photos are there in a single photo frame. Okay, so from these photos you have to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can see here 15 we have chosen, then 16, 17, 18, then 22, 23, 24. Okay, then next option will come after completing the 24 selection. Then next, then it will get uploaded. It will take some time, and make sure your internet connection is there. And this is the screen. You can see there is a option already. The uploading option is there, and it will be uploaded. Now you can see we are end of the successful uploading. 20 out of 24 it is uploading now. Now you can see after 24 photo uploaded, so this photo looks like in the Zoom-in app. You can see you can just here edit, make borders and make stickers. For all the photos only 20 rupees will be charged. Suppose here if you want to give borders, then go to that, and this type of borders are there. So any of them you can choose. Suppose if you choose this one, then you can see this type of photo after getting printed, the photo looks like, so it will very good to look. And if you want to change the border, suppose this one, such type of border will come. So this is like that. Okay, and then you have to update. Okay, after updating you will get this type of border. So for according to the same procedure, you can make different type of borders according to the zoom in app. After that you just click done. Okay, then alert, some important alert will come. Already you have done all these things or not? So I have done that. Understand, I understand. This option will come, then continue will come, continue, then alert, final alert will come, continue, review again or continue. Then there is a chance again to review the photos and edit the photos. Then I have already done that, all that things very clearly. So now continue. These are the options I have chosen. Among these options I have upgraded my choice. Here 5.5 inch premium glossy square prints. This option I have chosen. Upgrade your prints to a bigger size and a premium non-tearable paper finish. That means you cannot tear that photo. Okay, so this option I have chosen. So if you want to choose this option, then upgrade. Okay, then that will be your bill. These are the price, upgrade price, and total 419. Okay, next I have done that. What I have done, I'm just showing you that. So next, at this portion I have skipped. Then you can see 419. Continue checkout. Continue checkout. And again these options will come. So skip here. Skip. Skip. So these are the address. Okay. And now continue payment. And here you can use the promo code. These are the option of promo code. Apply promo code. So as I have ordered 199 rupees a few minutes ago, I have told you. So first time when I have used that, 199 I got. So I'm just applying any of the coupon here. I'll show you how it works. Suppose this one, 150 rupees. 150 rupees will be deducted. You can see 150 rupees already deducted, and it is 434.24. Okay, and then continue payment. And it will direct you to continue payment. Then standard shipping, you choose continue payment, clear all these things, then 446. Okay, then any of the payment option you can choose. I will suggest you Amazon Pay or Paytm or PayPal or PhonePe, but don't use directly the debit card, or don't add card here. So it is better to pay the amount by other app, like this type of app. Okay, and I'll show you the final screen, as already I have done that. So you can see from the order history, I will show you this order history I have done, this one. So this is my order history here. This is the actual order I have done, and this was 388.22 rupees. And I'll show you the main thing. I am very interested. Already the package has come to me, and I'll open and I'll share with you. So this is the package what I have got from the Zoomin, and already I have sanitized by the sanitizer. That's why the color has been faded. So this is the package. I'm just here. So this is the pack the Zoomin has sent me here to make your day better. Zoomin stories since 2009. So now open that. I am very excited to open the pack. Okay, now you can see what photo I have shown you in my picture. Already that photo has come here. You can see. So now you can see these are the photos sent by the company Zoomin. What I have sent, exactly the same type of photo they have sent, and you can see these are the borders what I have inserted in my soft copy. Already the same thing, same copies has been sent by the company. You can see these are the photos. Photo quality is good, and this is the non-tearable paper. Means you cannot tear this very easily, and of course it is glossy finish. This is a very good option. Sitting at home, you can print from your Android phone very easily, and that is due to the Zoomin app.
more photos are there. 24 photos I have told you are there. So I'll not show you all the photos because it will be boring for you. So you can see the photo quality is of course great, premium type of photo they have sent, and it is totally value for money. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.